Hi, this is Suman Jain, and today I want to do a quick review on Pinnacle. And what exactly is this product, Pinnacle? Alright, this is a brand new method which gets you unlimited traffic to your PayPal, floods with $100 to $125 into your PayPal account. So you would just ask me, what exactly is this Pinnacle? Pinnacle, in simple terms, is the way of building your list. And here you haven't seen anything like this before, because Fergal teach you the method which none of the top gurus teach you. Alright, so let me show you what exactly is this product all about and how you can scale up from $125 per day to $1,000 per day without any complicated launches or any product creations involved into it. Okay, so you can see over here, yet the product has not been launched. It's just 2 hours left. So, and along with that, you can see there is an information about Fergal and Suman, right? So after investment of this in amount, what do you get? Okay, so I just want to give you a quick review on what exactly is this product all about. So once you make any payment, this product is all about a video course where you would see what exactly this is all about, and they will show you the second. It's the course is different because it always talk about the Facebook ads. Okay, and you can see even how the power, there is a power of conversion tracking. Tracking is very much important for any, if you're an affiliate marketer or if you are into any businesses, you need to know how you need to do a conversion tracking. All right, and here also you have a step-by-step instructions on the conversion tracking, and even you can download this into a PDF format, and they would even show you how you can install a conversion tracking pixel into your website in just 5 to 10 minutes. At the same time, if you don't know how you can install, what you can do is you can even outsource, and they will show you how exactly you need to do it. And it's just a very simple walkthrough process where they'll help you to understand about ad creation, which is very much important, because as of now you can see the Facebook has various rules and regulations and talks on what you need to post and what you not need to post. So in order to avoid those, along with suspending your ads or forwarding the ads, or your ads doesn't get approved, so here Fergal teaches you about ad creations, and along with that you can see a supercharging how to grow your list with retargeting, which is one of the most important aspect with this Pinnacle product. Okay, so you will discover how to install retargeting pixels and outsourcing, and if you cannot do it, you can even outsource it, and you can see it's again, as I shared with you, it's a step-by-step process, like step 1, step 2, step 3, so that it is very easy to understand for you guys, and this step technically is not really very long. Okay, and once you understand about how you need to fix up the pixel, and then you start with your ads retargeting. We have a lot of retargeting strategies where Fergal shows you about how you need to do it, right? So we have a list of 26 video training where you would be understanding about how to do retargeting ads, from fixing it and creating a lot of ads. Okay, you can see I have implemented the strategies, and I've built my list to a very next level, say somewhere between 0 to 600 list. You can see here I'm just building every day. This is my today's list. You can see I'm just building somewhere between nearly about 6,400 lists only with this method. Okay, and you can see over here there's a core strategy on how you can make an offer and how to create an ads and content crushes, because this is one of the most important aspects. Along with that, how to create a retargeting list, which is again one of the most important and beautiful stuff, because once you learn this custom creations and retargeting list, you would make the in-depth dollars which is left behind. Okay, I have seen and have heard, even I was doing earlier the same mistakes, right? I was just creating ads, but I would never focusing on retargeting. Okay, so how to create an ads about it, and how you need to do your list with lookalike audience, which is again one of the important aspects, because once you understand, once you have your create custom audience, you can create your lookalike audience. And this training module is one of the best module, and is one of the interesting module, because you will learn a lot and you will definitely make a lot of money from it. All right, so it's one of the easiest way to understand, and one of the I would just say that you are stealing the methods what Fergal is teaching at a very easily, a very cheap price. Okay, so you can see there are totally about 26 videos. Along with that, you have edit bonuses videos, like how you can build an acquisition, customer acquisition funnels, which is again one of the important aspects, and what is the process, and how you can do with the list buildings and introductions, and along with the core offers like an ebook, a lead magnet, or video course, or a PDF, or anything, and kind of software or services or something like that. So in order to get faster results. And again, there is again one of the most important training what a lot of top marketers do is they list the products of the tripwire and they sell the products of the tripwire. You can see it's a piece of the puzzle, and how the core offer help you. It's, we always tell you, like lead magnet and the core offers, right? So whatever Fergal has thought, I've just implemented, and you can see the way I'm building my list. Along with that, I do have a few results. Very recently, I was I'm into various affiliate marketing products, and you can see I've made a lot of commissions over here only because of those methods. Okay, so I would definitely say you to get into this, at least buy and test the trainings and implement what Fergal says. Along with that, you get a lot of bonuses, and here also you get even the files, free trainings. Here you can get files with a sales letter blueprint and A/B testing, which is again one of the important aspects which most of them doesn't do it. Along with that, what you get is you get a Fergal's challenge of $50,000. How to make $50,000 in 90 days challenge. Okay, and again there are hidden bonuses. So I would definitely tell you to get into this. So as per this, once you enter into it, you get a bonus from my end as well. So you get the ultimate entertainer book from my end. How you very 3 simple steps to build your profitable online business. Okay, where you can download this ebook. Along with that, you get a bonus training, a step-by-step instructions, which is on a daily basis. Okay, you can see there's a special bonus on affiliate video training on, and along with that you would understand how to build your list with just 3 simple steps, and which is onto a video training where you get an instant access with every day you get an email from me, so that you understand how exactly you build your list. Okay, so in order to get into it, along with that, you can see once you get the product, you can even promote the product, and you can see how people are relying on launch and after launch to keep the email list fresh. Okay, inside Pinnacle, we show you how to build an email list into the tens of thousands in niche. You can see the product is for $70 for first 3 years, and then there's a Downsell, and then the O2O. And you can see the list of Downsells is where you can make a lot of commissions over here. So I would just definitely tell you to grab this offer, and this gives you a very good training. When as I showed with you, I've already bought this product and I've already tested it earlier, and yes, this product is one of the best piece of cake, and you can get into the groups which Fergal and Suman are conducting exclusive one-on-one trainings, and you can ask any questions if you have. Along with that, the best and beauty part is you have a 30 days money back guarantee. So why not test it and prove yourself and see what exactly is all about, and definitely this will definitely work for you guys. So if you are looking out for this, definitely you need to grab this opportunity so that you can get all my bonuses which I declare. All right, so stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.